Welcome back to Pokemon X. Last time we visited a weird and unusual rich man who was quite rude. But we got the Pokeflute, and now we're going to wake up the Snorlax. Oh, it's you two. Did you actually manage to borrow the Pokeflute? Yes. Thanks. Well, you're you're the only one who can play it, right? Snorlax can be grumpy when it wakes up. It might attack. I'll play the flute right now, but are you ready to stop it? Yes. Feels nice to have this flute in my hands again. Okay, I guess I'll start playing. Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Oh, okay. I sung the, or I sing the wrong song. Alright, so let's do a lick. Good morning, Snorlax. Alright, so let's see if we can do bubble. Yeah, not much. Yep, okay. So you're just going to be a pain? Alright, fine. Water pulse. Its HP must be around 106. Alright, one more and I should be able to catch it with a Pokeball. Ooh, okay, so close, but... let's do a Great Ball, I don't want to risk it. Oh, fine. We'll do a more useful ball. We'll do a luxury ball. Nope. Okay. Oh, sure. He gets to do a lick. Well, that's because he's a normal type. Get rid of some of these Pokeballs that we don't really use. Primer Ball. Let's see. No. Switch out to Pikachu because Pikachu has Thunder Wave. Yeah, okay. Pokeball. Let's do a Great Ball. And that should do it. Or not. Yes, we'll just keep going. Phoenix, let's see if you can do... Oh, wait, maybe not. Well, no. It's already paralyzed. It can't be burned too. Of course, I don't want to waste all my Pokeballs for this guy. Okay, good. It's a good thing I said that. He was scared and he just said, oh, forget it. Phoenix levels up to 21. Alright, so the data on this guy. It is not satisfied unless it eats over 880 pounds of food every day. When it is done eating, it goes promptly to sleep. Wow. Okay, so 600. He's 6'11" and 1,014 pounds. So that means he's roughly about 30 pounds without food. So he's kind of like a balloon, basically. Besides that, if he eats 880 pounds of food, that means he has to crap it all out later, right? That must be a massive poop. Or quite constipated, too. So let's name him Midnight um, no. How about Fat I can't think of anything. And we just wasted like 2 minutes on this guy. Awesome, you caught Snorlax. There are. Oh, the only thing I can do with that Pokeflute is put it on display. But you've been playing since you were little, and the tone is lovely. It seems like my Furfro also likes the sound of that flute. Not as much as it likes my beautiful, wonderful fireworks, of course. Yeah, I guess so. Still, your playing sounded better back in the day. I'll let you take care of that flute, so be sure to practice more. Alright. That was that supposed to be an attempt to patch things up? Well, whatever. All's well, it ends well. I wonder what lies past where Snorlax was sleeping. I do not know. Let's check it out. The Pokemon Daycare. Hey, Trev said he wants. Sorry about the break, the spacing in the words and whatnot. He wants to check out the Pokemon daycare. Come with us. This is the Pokemon daycare. They take care of Pokemon for you here. Yes, indeed. You can level up to 2 Pokemon here at once. So I seem to remember something good can happen if you leave 2 Pokemon here. That's right. We'll find a new addition, like an egg. If you carry the egg around, a Pokemon will emerge from it. Wow, Pokemon will come out. Maybe I'll leave some Pokemon here. Having the same Pokemon with the same dance moves might step up my dance. How about it, Dominator? Um, let's see. I might as well. There aren't many Pokemon I want to raise. I'll try it on some other occasion. That's one way to look at it. Well, gonna go look at some Pokemon for my dance team. Hey, wait, Trano, wait up. Trano? Yeah, I don't know. Leave a Pokemon, and we'll leave Pikachu. It fainted, but fine. We'll raise your Pikachu for a while, and no, that'll be it. Swirlix. Okay. It looks like a cotton candy. I wonder if he's fairy type. Must be. Yep, fairy wind. I would have to assume he's a fairy type. Alright, so bag. And we caught a Swirlix. Alright, so to entangle its opponents in battle, it extrudes white threads as sweet and sticky as cotton candy. And we will not give it a nickname. Um, have you seen Dunscore? Haven't seen it yet. I found a baby. Alright, Trex. What are you doing? So Silver, about how many Pokemon have you seen? Do you want to compare Pokédex and find out who has seen more kinds of Pokemon? To put it in another way, I'm challenging you to my own kind of Pokemon battle. Yes. So you've seen 64 kinds of Pokemon. I lost. How frustrating. Oh, so you've seen Ralts too, Dominator. Just knowing about the same Pokemon as someone else can sure make you happy. A heated. Okay. Let's battle. You're messy. I like that. Okay. Smargle. Alright. Decent type of Pokemon. But not decent enough. We don't need to check through here. But what's this? A double battle. Alright, so we can get Dragon Blaze and yeah, basically Dragon Blaze and Ninjutsu all settled up. Level 21. Good. And we won't teach it. Scary Face is not really too useful. Okay, how can you learn Confusion? I thought you only know Sketch. Whatever. You're going down anyways. Munchkin levels up to 18. Clipper levels up to 15. Alright, what is this? Silver, do you know about this building? It's called the Battle of Chatuit. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. And it's famous for being a place for trainers gather to improve their skills. If I learn even more about Pokemon, I'm sure I'll be able to defeat Kalas's 8 gym leaders. Well, let's take a look at it. Oh, if it isn't Silver. What is your title in this nobility? What? You don't have a title? That's a surprise. No one could doubt that a kid as strong as you should have one. See, your title here at the battle place shows everyone just how strong you are. Only a handful of trainers can join the ranks of nobility and earn these titles. Lady Viola, are you anticipated with the young gentleman? Eh. I can. I see you carry the bug badge, young sir. It appears that Lady Viola has recognized your ability as a trainer then. It is a pleasure to meet you, my lord. My name is Hennessy. Might I ask your name? Sir Silver. A fine name. I will gladly recommend Silver, so will you grant him a beginner title? He has the makings of a very strong trainer. So I'm sure he will contribute to the battle castle, I'm just going to say. Of course, madam. If you are willing to speak for him, Lady Viola, then that is more than sufficient. And besides, I, too, sense extraordinary potential in maintaining young from young Sir Silver. Sir Silver, you are hereby granted the title of Baron. Okay, don't know what that means. Trainers with noble titles can do battle against other trainers with titles in the nobility here at the battle castle. The title of Baron or Baroness places you at the lowest rank of nobility. Continue to battle here and your victories will increase your rank in title. Then it's likely that higher ranking members of the nobility will appear in hope of fighting you, sir. If you ever have any questions, please direct your inquiries to the two clerks at the door. Well then, Sir Silver, Lady Viola, I will take my leave now. I'm so glad. I'm also a member of nobility, so let's battle again if we get a chance. Welcome to the battle castle, my good sir. How might I be able to assist you on this fine day, Baron Silver? I will delegate to assist you, right? Okay. Patient. Ooh, crap. No. Okay. So we'll do this later. We definitely don't have the money for it. Alright, ninjutsu. He's making fun of you. Water Pulsum. If you all don't mind, I'd like to have a Pokemon battle with everyone. Now, how should we pair up, Let's go with Tierno and Trevor against Dominator and me. Yes. Okay, Dominator. Since we're neighbors, we might as well battle together, right? Corphish and Pikachu. Okay, as long as you can take care of Pikachu, I can... Ooh, okay. Well, I'll take care of Pikachu, I guess. Oh yeah, Swirl, we had Space in our team, didn't we? Well, that's fine. Swirlix can be in our team for a little bit. Alright, let's switch out. Switch out to Dragon Blaze. It doesn't really make sense to have two fire... Well, it's actually a flying type and a fire type, but... 4 fishes down, so that's good. And dragon players will do an ember. I don't know if this. I don't even know what the weaknesses for fairy type is. But I guess fire types are neutral. Okay. He has a Vanillix. I don't know what the name of that Pokemon is, but he has it on his shirt. That's kind of cool. It sure is interesting to see how different each trainer's style is. Well, I guess we should head off to Alberta town then. There is a cave. There's some grass. There is a hedge that we can actually cut. And we will teach it to Clipper for right now. Do a real sword dance. And there's silver powder back here. Alright, so there's 2 entrances here. Connecting cave, this is a shortcut. And, okay, so if that's a shortcut, which way is this way? Well, I guess we'll go through here. How about it if I help your dear Pokemon rest a bit? Sure, that'd be great. No, that was too easy. Stop right there. Haha, we didn't mean to surprise you. How are you and your Froggator doing? Haven't you wondered how a single Pokédex could possibly cover a region as big as Kalos? Well, it can't. That's why we are here to power up your Pokédex. You mean update it, right? The Coastal Kalos Dex will be on your Pokédex menu, so tap it to select it. New encounters help people in Pokemon grow mature. We'll be taking our leave now. Bonjour. Uh, yeah, I think I said that right. Oh no, we're missing all the... Oh well. Mifu! Where are... Well, I know we're in the town, but... Hey, it's a little rising star pilot with the Axie. Scary Face lowers. Okay, speed. Oh, we got a lot of speed, so we should be fine. Clipper levels up to 16. Okay, so this will be it for this episode. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and I will see you guys next time. Au revoir.